Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Amy. This is the second video in the series Knowledge about Solar Panel. Knowledge about Solar Panel is a series of videos explaining to people about PV modules. We want to help people better understand PV products and to make human energy sustainable faster. If you like this video, please follow our channel and let more people know this series of videos. Let's build a green community together. Well, let's start this topic. 8 ways to make your house more energy efficient in winter. Ukraine war, recession, soaring energy prices. We already entered the second half of 2022. Almost everyone is looking for ways to cut energy expenses in preparation for the coming winter. For individuals, staying warm through the winter is the most pressing need at the moment, and cutting energy costs while maintaining the quality of daily life has become even more difficult this winter. You know, energy prices continue to rise. Considering this, I will introduce 8 ways to save energy in-house for you. Hope this will help you. Sealing doors, windows, and ducts. This is a small gap that most people overlook, and the heat in your house is escaping through this inconspicuous gap. It drives up your home's energy consumption. So the first method I recommend for you is to seal your doors, windows, and ducts. First, you need to test all the windows and doors in your home to see if they are completely sealed. If you find a drafty section, please carefully seal the windows or doors with draft guards, whether stripping, caulk, or adhesive tape. If your house uses a duct-based ventilation system, then you also need to test the ducts to make sure they are sealed. Sealing leaky areas with duct tape will reduce any air loss and reduce energy loss. Choosing an air source heat pump. Heating, warm air, and hot water are the largest part of energy consumption in a house. Compared to other heating equipment, air source heat pumps are more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. A heat pump doesn't use natural gas, coal, or oil. It only uses electricity. It can absorb the low temperature heat from the outdoor air. After the refrigerant treatment, it transfers the heat to the indoor system, such as heater or floor heating, to play a heating role. If your family's financial condition allows, using a combination of solar power and air source heat pump will be the best choice for home heating. Unplugging rarely used devices. Just lifting a finger, but many people don't have the habit of doing that. As you know, electronic devices that are plugged in are actually using power even when they are turned off or on standby. Even though the power consumed is minimal, each device in your home accumulates, and over time this can waste a lot of energy. To avoid this, you just need to unplug your TV, game consoles, and other devices when they are not in use. This small, simple action can really allow you to cut your energy bill. At the end of the year, you can calculate the amount of savings, and the number will really surprise you. Choosing energy-efficient appliances. This is easier said than done, especially if you are on a limited budget. If you are planning to purchase new appliances for your home, consider using appliances with higher energy efficiency ratings. They may cost more than traditional ones when you buy them, but because they use less energy, you will end up saving a lot of money in the long run. Just looking at your daily electricity usage statistics, you can find the appliances in your home that consume more power. Then please replace them with more energy efficient counterparts. Upgrade to LED. It's 2022, but many people are still using extremely inefficient lighting in their homes. While it may not seem like a big deal, the least efficient bulbs, such as halogen bulbs, can waste a lot of power if used in your home for years. Therefore, one of the easiest and fastest ways to reduce energy costs in the house is to switch to more efficient lighting, such as LEDs. Use the oven lines. Ovens are big consumers of energy, and it is customary to assume that food prepared in an oven tastes better. However, the reality is that many things we do with the oven can actually be accomplished using more efficient devices, such as a microwave. Therefore, try not to use your oven for anything that will significantly save energy, unless it's for that roast kitchen on Christmas Eve. Or you can try turning off the oven before the cooking time is over, as the oven will keep its heat on for a while. Using a smart meter. Do you have a smart meter in your house? If no, it deserves your preference. Having a smart meter will allow you to see your electricity consumption in real time. This way, you will be able to identify your weaknesses. You can analyze this electricity usage data and make plans on how to make your home more energy efficient. Smart meters also allow you to set timers for heating. This way, the heating will only turn on at certain times of the day. Timing your heating to turn on or off allows you to save even more in the winter. Installing solar panels. If you have the financial means and the space, then installing solar panels can be your most effective way to a more energy efficient home. With PV, you only need to buy a small amount of electricity from the grid and can even sell the excess back to the energy company to further reduce your energy costs. Solar panels can power out electrical devices in your home and can also be used to heat your water and rooms. Solar panel systems usually require an initial investment, but they can save you a lot of money on your energy bills in the long run. Well, that's all we have to say about how to make your home more energy efficient in this even colder and energy-lack winter. These 8 tips are just the part, and I'm sure there are many more ways to make your house more energy efficient. Welcome to leave your suggestions in the comment section. It may be very useful for our community. If this video was helpful to you, please like and share it with your friends. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. See you soon.